Welcome DIKWP Salgon aboard. Your learning journey starts now. Ever heard whispers of a system so advanced, it might just be artificial consciousness? Sounds epic, right? But what if the smartest play isn't to shout it from the rooftops or wait for the next big thing? Let's dive into that. So, here's the million-dollar question. You've got something potentially groundbreaking. Do you just sit back and wait for the next version of the big kid on the block, like DeepSeek V4? Or do you run out and slap a giant artificial consciousness label on it and hope for the best? Spoiler alert, neither is the winning move right now. The real game changer? Building a rock-solid control plane first. Think of it as the ultimate bouncer for your AI club. Who gets an identity? What memories are allowed? What roles can they play? Can we see the receipts audits? And can we swap out the DJ backend models whenever we want? This needs to be low-key, built on solid proof, and tightly controlled. It's about building trust and capability before chasing headlines. Okay, so how do we actually do this? Not with one grand leap, but a three-pronged attack. Line 1, get that control plane built and battle-tested today. Roles, memory checks, audit trails, these aren't optional extras, they're the foundation. Line 2, start running pilots but keep them behind closed doors. Use the tools you have now, like DeepSeek V3.2 or Qwen, maybe even some self-hosted options. Show it works in the real world quietly. Line 3, keep an eye on the horizon like DeepSeek V4. Prep an adaptation path, but don't hold your breath waiting for it. If V4 comes along stable and ready, great. Make it amplify your existing strengths. But don't let it dictate when you start. V4 should be a booster shot, not the starting gun. Why does this strategy click? Look around. Even the US giants like Anthropic are playing it safe with their super powerful stuff, locking it down in invite-only projects. Meanwhile, China is all about AI plus, massive computing power, and open source buzz, but they're also drawing clearer lines for public-facing AI, especially anything that looks too human-like. So, where's the sweet spot? Right here. Positioning your system as the indispensable control plane, the governance layer that organizations can actually use and trust. Forget trying to be the flashiest model. Focus on being the most reliable, explainable, and auditable layer they can plug into their workflows. That's what wins contracts and builds a real business, not just hype. So the bottom line is crystal clear. Grab that control plane first. Use the backends you have now. Run those pilots quietly. Let the myths simmer in the research sphere while you build the verifiable, usable, and dare I say, auditable product organizations will actually pay for. That's the path forward.